up, guys? My name is Kia Billingsley, back again with another video, guys. You know, I don't want to do this video. I wish I never had to do this video, but I have to do this video. As you can see in the title, I woke up yesterday, guys. You know, went to cut my iPhone 7 Plus, you know. iPhone 7 Plus, guys. Went to cut this bad boy on, or whatever you want to call it. Cut it on, you know, comes on fine, you know. It's working fine, guys. Everything is hunky-dory, I guess, you know. I did a factory beta reset, whatever you want to call it on iPhone. Reset the settings, you know, turned the phone on and off. Looked on YouTube to try to find a way to fix the problem. Called Apple support to try to fix the problem. The problem is my freaking notification button. My phone will not vibrate. This iPhone 7 Plus, guys, no vibration. Like, I don't know what happened. I've been here, you know, I haven't really seen a lot of people with this problem. I don't know if I'm the first. I'm sure I'm not. You know, this sucks though, you know. Because I thought this iPhone 7 Plus was an okay phone, you know. It sucks. Like, I can still do my fingerprint, guys. I'm going to show you. Still there. You know. When people call me, the only way I'm able to know that someone's calling me and to hear it is if the phone is on loud. Because, like I said, it won't vibrate at all. So, the home button, the little haptic feedback home button in there, the haptic feedback is dead. It won't do anything. Like, I don't know if, you know, Apple support was asking me that I drop the device. You know, I'm like, no, you know. It kind of, you know, it falls with the case on it, you know, but I'm not just throwing it on purpose, you know. No water damage is inside of here, not that I know of, you know. I don't have my phones around any kind of water. So I don't know what's going on with this device, guys. You know, so I'm stuck with, I'm going to end up having to take this up to Apple, guys. And I'm hoping and praying that they can fix this little issue. Then again, it's a chance they can fix it. Then again, it's a chance they can't fix it. If they can fix it, you know, I'm good, you know. That's going to save me. If they can't fix it, I'm going to be out of some money either way it go. If they can fix it, I'm going to be out of money. No, if they can fix it, and it's not something that I caused on my own, then I think it'll be free. But if it's something that they see that it's water damage or something, then you know how they going to blame that on me, you know. And I'm like, no, I don't have my phone around water, you know. Even when it's raining, you know, I don't just have my phone out, you know. I'm not washing my phone and stuff like that. I'm not dropping it in water. And if it has dropped in water, I'm not aware of it, you know, so. At a loss for words, guys, like, because I like my iPhone 7 Plus. This was really my main daily driver. It really was, guys. Aside from my Galaxy Note 8, you know, this was the one, you know. I was always on this. I was always texting on this, watching YouTube on this, you know. And for it to not vibrate when I get messages and stuff kind of sucks, because that means I have to have this on loud all the time if I want to know when somebody's calling me. Even when it's on loud, it won't vibrate, you know. I can hear the ringtone, you know, the little song, but it won't vibrate. So I'm thinking my vibrating engine in my device has died out. And the guy on Apple was like, did you ever notice it dying? I was like, not that I'm aware of. Because he said the engines can get weak in the device, which is weird. But yes, that could be the problem, you know. I've had this phone for a while now, so that could be the problem. I'm always using it. It's always on vibrate, silent and vibrate. I never just walk around with my phone on loud. I don't like doing that, you know, because I don't want people to know when I'm getting a call and a text message and stuff. And I think that's rude, so, you know, I keep it on vibrate. And, like, so if it's in my pocket, I'm feeling that vibration. I know when I'm getting a text message, when I'm getting an update from YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, whatever it is. But, like, right now, I can't know that because it's on silent. And if it's in my pocket, guys, you know, I'm not knowing what's going on. And people are probably going to be like, hey, I tried to call you, you know. And I'm like, oh, I can't. I didn't know you tried to call me because my phone won't vibrate, you know. So I've just, you know, kicked it to the curb, set it aside, you know, picked up my Galaxy Note 8, been going strong with that, you know, until they can figure out what's wrong with this device. But the bad news about all of this is, my warranty is over, guys. It's over. This iPhone 7 Plus was not the original iPhone 7 Plus that I bought straight out of AT&T. I had to use my warranty because something was wrong with my iPhone 7 Plus, my first iPhone 7 Plus. This is the second iPhone 7 Plus that I had. You know, I didn't have to pay for this because I had a warranty. I just went to the Apple store and they switched it out, you know, once they figured out that I didn't cause the problem to that device, you know. I guess it was a manufacturing problem or something like that. And they gave me this one, you know. Never had problems with this until yesterday. Woke up, wasn't vibrating at all. It was vibrating all day, all day on Monday and everything. Tuesday woke up, not vibrating at all. And I'm like, what's going on, you know? I tried all the troubleshooting steps, like I said, nothing's working. So if I have to, I'm not gonna say if I end up, I'm gonna take this to Apple. I'm gonna have to. That sucks. I don't want to do that. I hate how you have to make an appointment and go into Apple and do all of that. I have an appointment set up for Sunday. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to make that appointment. So we'll see. But either way it go, I'm gonna be paying some money. But if it's something that they can fix, and since my warranty is up, and if I have to pay for that, and if it's like a lot of money, I'm not gonna pay for it. I'm gonna leave it how it is, save my money, and probably get an iPhone 8 Plus probably. I'm probably not even gonna wait and get the newer iPhones. Like I'm almost over it with iPhone, you know. The reason why I got the iPhone is because of like iMessaging and FaceTime, and everybody had it, you know, and I was like, hey, let me try this out. But other than that, like I'm tired of it. Like it's like with this happening, it's like, oh, I just want to go back to Android, you know. I'm not gonna do that, but that's how I'm feeling, guys. I'm really mad, even though I like getting phones and stuff. I'm really mad though, cause like even if I get another phone, that's still gonna be a lot of money in my pocket. And it was like, you can trade your device in, you can trade it in, you can trade it up for another device, you know. But they'll probably only give me like $200 or $100 for the device. So either way though, it's a lose-lose situation for Kia Billingsley. I just wanted to get on here, guys, and let you know what was going on with my iPhone 7 Plus. You know, it sucks. A lot of bad things happened to me with electronics, about getting them messed up and everything. But rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys. But if you know any kind of other little steps that I can probably try to finagle with and work with before Sunday comes, leave it in the comment section below, guys, and I'll get back with you. I'm out of here.